severe thunderstorm warning for north central Riley County in northeastern Kansas, southeastern Washington County, southwestern Marshall County in northeastern Kansas, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Barnes, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marysville, Blue Rapids, Frankfort, Waterville, Greenleaf, Barnes, and Bremen. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Here are the 6 p.m. conditions for the local area.